Alright guys, this ought to be the ultimate I'm in a little workout room here, and we have the Coleman LED, we have the Monster, we have the Streamlight, the Nebo Redline, and we have the Outback flashlight. So I'm gonna go cover that door light and turn these lights out, and I will tell you which light is which, and then I'm gonna try to lay them all on the table and shine them on the wall so you can see. So let me go turn these lights out. And here we go. This is going to be the Outback. It's somewhere around 70 lumens. There's the fan that was in the earlier shot. As I said, this flashlight is just a great work light. It's not nothing you want to use tactical wise. Of course, here's the lantern part, but this is what we're here for. So, and that wall is about, let's see, 20 yards, real close to 20 yards, somewhere 18, 20 yards. So that is the Outback. Okay, here's the Nebo on high. Let it focus. Come on. There it goes. Yeah, there's the fan. It's pretty bright. Let's back it up. I mean, if it could stay, somewhere in something like, maybe like that, that's not too bad. I think this is rated at 220 lumens. Pretty good flashlight, not too bad. I mean, you've read my review. I just don't like the fit and finish and the quality of the work. Alright, this is going to be the Streamlight Polytac 90. This is on high. And this here, let's see, is strobe. And low. Alright, here's the Coleman LED Performance. Nice light. It only has one mode, so. And next up is the Monster on high. I love this flashlight. This light's amazing. How bright this light, I mean, it just like lit up half of this gym. So, okay, now there's medium. There's low. There's strobe on the Monster. SOS. So, here we go. I'm going to turn them all on. spread them out, and let you see what the beams look like on the wall. That is the Outback. Let's put it over here. That's the Outback. Here is the Nebo. Tighten that up a little bit so it's. Here's the Streamlight. Here's the Coleman. Let's move these down just a little bit to make room. Alright, and here is the Monster. So there you go. There's from left to right, the Outback, 70 lumens, the Nebo, somewhere around 220 lumens. In the middle here, moving now, is the Streamlight, which is 90 lumens. This is the Coleman LED Performance, which is, I think, 90 lumens also. And the Monster on the end, which is supposedly 320 at its peak. So, as you can see, I mean, it's no question which one's brighter. And there's how I was telling you how that blue, that Nebo has a blue light. I'm not real sure what that's all about, but it's pretty light, but it's nothing like the Monster. The Monster is in a class of its own, in my opinion. But you know, there they all are. I mean, you can see them. There's no debating on what's out there right now. So use that one at a time. That was the Outback out. Nebo out. Streamlight out. Oh, look how bright that Monster light is. Coleman out. And there's what's left is the Monster light. I mean, I don't think the camera is really picking up. Let me aim the camera up to the ceiling and see what it does. Let's see. Yeah, you see the corner there. You see the light up to the fixture. Let me back up with the camera and just get this whole room. There's the table I was just using. And you can see this room's pretty dark. I mean, you see there, it's pitch black. And those are targets for a bow class that's in here, bow and arrow class. But as you can see, this is the Monster. And it says, I mean, you'd be guessing what's in that corner. And that's crazy. But anyways, I hope that helped some. I thought that was a pretty cool review. Put them on that wall, let you see what it did. But then right here is where my money's at. Thanks, guys. See ya.